friends
Mm-hmm.
is a woman talking on the band's voice answering machine.
Oh, fun.
Because they had a service where you could call a number and hear their music on the phone.
I do remember you telling me about that.
And in the beginning, they did this by having their music as the answering machine's message.
Oh.
And
And so if
one
you got all the
day,
way through the song, then you can conceivably read the message.
no, the entire time it was taking a message.
Oh. Oh.
So most days they would just like rewind the tape to go back to the beginning for the next day. But one day they went to do that, and the tape was full.
Oh.
Somebody had listened to their answering machine all day long. So they listened to it. And that's where this this audio comes from.
How long is this audio?
Only a couple minutes. It's just excerpts.
Okay. Yeah, it's just snippets.
All we know about this woman is that her name is Gloria, and she doesn't understand what she's listening to.
Oh my god.
She also repeatedly gets the band's name wrong.
Oh my god.
Darn, I thought I would confuse. Oh wait, I lived. Hold on. No way that works. That's the dumbest thing I've ever done. Put myself to sleep so I'm nanoed, so when I get pinned, I live.
Oh right, this is Anna, not Widow.
Yeah.
You're able to put yourself to sleep?
That's what the sleep does. I put myself to sleep and then I get nanoed for the amount of time I was asleep.
That's funny.
Okay, time to put myself to sleep. Alright, we up.
Okay, good night, gang.
Oh, hey, now I have an actual nano.
Like, oh, I'm hurt. Good night. Hey.
Alright, time to go to sleep. Oh, wow, that was really short. That was a power nap. I need more than a power nap.
Listen, sometimes you just need a power nap. I get it. I mean, not really, I don't get it, because, if I nap like the dead. I don't power nap.
Yeah, it'd be like that.
My power naps are like an hour long.
I just, like, can't nap.
Oh, God, yeah.
Like, my brain just don't do it.
Yeah, I used to be like that.
But then life happens. Yeah, no, I do get that part, though.
Yeah.
Must be nice to just not... Well, hang on. So, with the inability to nap, does that also just make you feel, like, not constantly tired?
Oh, no, you sit constantly tired, but not tired enough to sleep. It sucks.
Oh.
Wait, I gotta sleep on the point. There we go. We did it. Held the point.
The stream, for me, is just all pixels.
And, you know, I'm trying my best here. At least my audio hasn't been cutting out like crazy, so you know what? I take it as a win.
Oh yeah, no. The audio has been fine. I will say, because of the way the video quality is, like, the being rather largely pixelated, it almost gives the vibe of, like, old N64 game. Where, like, you can still tell literally everything, but, like, there's just blocks.
I forgot the sleep puts me to sleep. Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
Wait, but I'm doing something. I'm not being completely useless. I am gonna die in a moment, though. There are so many tanks around me.
Jesus.
Me when I'm on a battlefield.
Yeah, I'll say me at war.
Oh, so speaking of battlefields and war,
Uh-oh.
so
I don't like where this is
no,
going.
it's actually nothing bad. It's actually nothing bad. It's just my distaste toward America. And mind you, these opinions are entirely my own government, and these do not reflect the opinions of my fellow compatriots here. So at work today, they were starting to give out shirts. Apparently, like, work has had special t-shirts made for associates for, like, the country's 250th anniversary. And my manager asked me, oh, hey, we have these shirts. You want one? What size are you? And I looked and I'm like, a shirt with an American flag? I'm good. And she's like, wait, really? Why? And I'm like, let's just say I feel a certain type of way about how the government is doing things right now, and we're just gonna leave it at that. Like, that's the exact words I said to her.
Yeah.
And she didn't, like, she didn't respond in the positive or in the negative to what I said. She was just like, oh, okay. Because, yeah, I'm like, supporting this current country could not be me.
Fran, check your DMs.
Yeah, I'm going to look at it now. Okay, I was sitting here like, what does TMBW stand for?
Be a wiki.
Yes, might be a wiki.
Lucio, stop jumping me. Literally, stop jumping. Honk, shoo, mimimi. Why am I alive? Oh shit. That's unfortunate.
One here, there must be giants.
Yeah, like, literally, there has to be.
Yeah.
There's gotta be. There just can't not be giants.
Well, I can't explain it, because I don't know what it is. Look in the paper. Don't blame me if the guy's a nut.
I love being Nano Ana, where I can just 1v1 a hog and win.
You took off the intellectuals. I put on their maybe giants. What? Who's they maybe giants?
Oh, I'm sleeping again.
You could make sense once in a while. Don't blame me if the guy's a nut. Love it.
Oh, if I sleep, I'll live. I hate how this works. Oh, now nope, I'm still alive. Okay. I died, but the Rhine still died, which is really funny. I've done far more damage than healing, but I don't give a shit. Oh, I'm sleeping.
Lucky Jesus.
Ow. My hand hurts from playing this character.
Oh no, they killed Fluffy Jesus.
Sorry?
And
Wait,
it's
hold
gonna
on, I
take
must
3 days
sleep.
for him to res.
Yeah, I was gonna say, isn't he already rezzed? Like, what the whole point of Sunday was? Just end it, please.
5 out of 5 honk shoo mimimi.